Hey, hello. Welcome to the first Saturday stream. I don't know who this one viewer is, probably my wife. Welcome. I'm going to explain the concept really quickly. Whoever is here, we're going to do some coding. I'm just going to do it by myself. It's going to be a focus stream, it's going to be a co working stream. Uh, if you want, you can start, you can join and work yourself. Watch me while we're doing it. So let's get going. Hey, really see. Why? Oh, that's the reason why. Wow, that ended quickly. That's it. Stupid game. Yeah. Uh. Turn-based game. Okay. Well, before we sign up, let's just get started. Dragon Script Arena. Okay. Before we continue with this, let's check yours. Okay. Well, why not? Play forever free. All right. Come down here, please. So, how was your week, Roy Lucy? Was it nice? Good week? I'm not a robot. Sign up, save, confirmation email. Wow. It's a nice timer. It really looks nice. I'm happy with it. So thank you very much for doing that. It's a very beautiful timer. My week. Let me answer that as well. Where's my email though? Spam? No. How has my week been? Sorry. I think I did. Oh, Code Combat. Yeah. Shitty little shit. How has my week been? Well, my week was the first 2 days, were the last 2 days of my work. So there was some stuff that I needed to do, some stuff that I had to finalize. So that was until Tuesday. Then I went to get the car checked out because I had a company lease car, beautiful vehicle by the way. I had a Skoda Superb. But yeah, when you're going there, they don't leave that car to you. So I went and got it checked out. Nothing serious. So Wednesday, I went to office at about 10 a.m. to give them my laptop and phone and whatever whatnot. It seems, it seems that charging cables, are you need to give them back. Like even if you rip your cable, even if it's damaged, they want to see it back. Like if my cable is damaged, I throw it in the trash. I don't keep it to maybe one day give it to them back. So the power brick they gave me, I couldn't find it. I know I have it. I placed it somewhere. I misplaced it somewhere. So the power brick for the Apple, which is that USB-C one with the 20 watts charging capability, plus a 1 meter USB-C to Lightning cable, I gave back to the office. So I was one day without cable and power brick. So we had to share the charging stand of my wife together. After that, freedom. So I'm very happy. I'm very happy right now. Well, to be honest, the design, I didn't make it all. Like the general shape, the roundness, and that bar on the side, it was already there. But the button and the timer, I added and changed that myself. The color on the background was also part of it. The first timer was I didn't like it. I didn't like how the timer was. I didn't like how the timer explanation was. So I dropped that and made it my own that way. Well, yeah, Free World is nice, but now April 1st, I'm starting. Well, April 3rd, I'm starting. But now I saw that the onboarding calendar and my physical that I need to get with the company doctor, they are on the same day. So I need to reschedule the doctor probably. But we'll see. All right, let's see. Your dragon learning training. As part of your training, you command your dragons to battle other dragons in the ancient arena, but dragons are temperamental and do not respond to mortal languages. Dragons only obey commands given in dragon script. What's that? I do think this is a little more advanced JS. Yes, APIs. Join our secret Discord chat server. Yeah, sure. Oh, come on. All right. So that's nice, though. You can write your own user interface and maybe buttons and actions and I don't know what. Yeah, I know. I'm trying to go step by step. I'm trying to read this. Well, you never know. Because it does say, you know, HTML wraps the entire Dragon AI into a nice package for the game to run. HTML is also how you can draw your UI. So you can make a user interface, and I don't know what you can do with the user interface, but well, there you go. You're welcome. So here. Okay, come on. Let's do it. Save. That's it. I said hello. So yeah, I did everything I could do, and if you did it right, a box will pop up and say victory, but a box never popped up and never said victory, so. Alright. Revision 1. Let's call this the stupid dragon. Save. Go. Yeah, well, go. I said we did go, but. Oh, we already made a version 2 of it. Oh my god. Alright. So, let's. Hello world. JavaScript. This is the first line of JavaScript. We'll cover the basics of JavaScript, including how to write messages to the JavaScript console. Go ahead and open up your Dragon AI code from that lesson, from the last lesson. Notice how JavaScript looks different from HTML. There are no tags. Yes. There are curly braces. Yes. You can think of it like the open and close tags in HTML. Yes. It's like CSS. Yes. That's how you make a function in JavaScript. Yes, a function is a way to organize code that does a specific task into a neat package. Oh, by the way, Rolisi, I uploaded the 3 videos. 3? 4? 3 or 4. A function is a way to organize code that does a specific task into a neat package. This function has a name run. This function expects one argument to be passed to it called state within the curly braces. You can write code to do something when this function is called. This function does not do anything right now because we. Ooh. And then a few lines down, you'll see game, register, and run. This registers your run function within the game. When you register your run function with the game, it will be executed on every round. Thus, any code you put inside the run function will be executed on every round. JS comments. Yes, slash. Oh yeah, that's slash star is also the other way. I saw that yesterday, I think, or 2 days ago. I don't know which day. Whatever. The console is where you can write text and view them in your browser. This is useful for sending messages to yourself so you can see what is going on. Hey, Mehmet! Mehmet! Welcome to the stream, man. Press F12. All right. F12. Oh, wrong button. Console. And then what do you want me to write again? Let's look at that. Console log. Sorry, I'm doing this off screen because the console opened on the side. Okay, so it did say hello. Put this inside your function. All right. Console log hello. Yes. Console log hello. Hello. Save. Okay. But it's continuously writing the hellos. So but I'm okay with that. Whatever. Hmm. Yes, exactly. And because we don't give it a stop, it's just, and if we go back, it will continue. And if I stop again, it will stop. So it stops whenever I'm on this screen. But the problem is, there's no box that pops up. Or is it me writing it? That's probably the reason. That is probably the reason. Save it and try it. Are we going to get yay! You won! Victory! Nope. At least this does work. Nope. Nope. Here you go. If it's not giving me a victory, I'll write my own victory. I don't care. Although it's not even picking it up on the console, but that's probably because of this. Come on. Hello. Hello, governor. This game doesn't even listen to me. This game doesn't like me. Lesson 3, attack. Yes, he's solo. Like Solo Turk. From here on out, we'll focus on JavaScript. Why am I saying Java? It's JavaScript. Java. We'll be building up your dragon's AI brains. In this solo quest, you'll learn how to command your dragon to attack. Remember, always put your JavaScript code within the script tags of your dragon AI. JavaScript, yes, is a nice alternative. Let's write our own language and make it JavaScript. And not HTML, but HTML. Always put your JavaScript run function. As we saw in the previous lesson, your run function is your main function that gets executed on every run. This is where you'll fill in the brains of your dragon. At this moment, it's a no-brainer. Stupid dragon. Game attack. This tells your unit specified by unit ID to attack a target. Okay, so hold on. Let's just try. Game attack. Am I saying it right? Game attack. And then what is my unit ID? I think it's Stupid Dragon. Right? Okay. I, I don't think this is going to work, but you know what? Let's let's see what it does. I don't think it's going to do anything. I don't even know what my unit ID is. How should I know what my unit ID is? Although, hold on. No, I don't want you to clear it, but I want you to stop. Go to the top. Can I see anything about my unit ID in here? Is it perhaps in here? No, it isn't. Happy Dragon scripting. Oh, okay. Yeah. See that I was listening to you though. Like you said, don't go step by step. Let's go step by step. I'm going step by step. I'm saying game attack and it's not working. So obviously bad guidance. uh function run var my units var dragon ID. You also get helper function. These functions are provided to help beginners get started. As you level up your coding skills, you'll outgrow these helper functions and find yourself replacing them with your own versions. Helper get my unit state. This function returns you an array of your dragon units. You can think of an array as a list. Yes. Like a shopping list. Yes. A list has many items. Yes. Called elements in programming. Arrays are zero indexed. Yes, it starts with zero. That is, you say array 0 for the first element in the list. Yes, array 1 for number 2, and so on. Yes. Oh! Aha! Yeah, so... Okay. I'm just going to copy paste this right now quickly because that's going to be a lot easier than going back and forth between two pages. Save. What will it do? Okay, hold on. Stop this. Refresh it, and let's see what it does. Nothing. Okay. Great. Now we have a dragon's unit ID for the first argument of game attack unit ID target. Next we'll learn how to get enemy unit for second argument, the target. Helper get closest enemy. Okay, hold on. Var my units, helper get my unit state, so it takes everything. It makes an array out of this. And number 1 is your dragon. Okay. Alright. So we get that dragon ID out of there. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's see. So, helper get closest enemy, yes, makes it an enemy found. If an enemy is found, Huh? Okay, so what does this mean? Ooh, we're on a break. Hold on. Breaky, breaky. Breaky, breaky. So, I'm planning on building a computer. But on the other end, it's fucking expensive, like extremely expensive. I was just checking today, like there's a website here in the Netherlands where you can buy uh, cheaper, but still the same parts, so just a little bit cheaper. It's called alternate.nl, and even though it's cheaper, the computer that I would want to build would cost me about 2.5 to 3K. So that's nice. But it would be a good computer though, let's be honest, because I was looking at an i9 13900K. I was looking at Asus ROG Strix, ROG Strix Z690 or Z790, uh, a graphics card 4070 Ti. Although I could go down to a 3070. Why not? Because it's not like I'm playing Warzone on, highest setting or something like that. So I'm thinking of doing that as well. Oh, darn you. What I need to get though, I need to get a coding focus just chatting screen. Okay, let's duplicate this. Just chatting to no. Just chatting focus. How is this called? Focus mode. Okay. Rename. Now what I do need to do though, copy this into here. And luckily, it's still working. Good. That's a good thing. Are you going to change that every time the timer changes? How do you mean? I just changed. Added a scene into OBS. Now we have a just chatting focus mode screen. So the Saturdays are going to be the focus mode screens, scenes. Sorry, and now both have the Pomodoro timer, which gives us a 5-minute break every 25 minutes. So yeah. My eyes are burning the last few days. I don't know why. Yesterday wasn't a good sleeping night either. The baby wouldn't sleep until 2 a.m. It's all nice and well with the baby. It's all funny. It's all nice. But when a baby doesn't sleep until 2 p.m., and wakes up every 3 hours still, and wakes up fully at 8 a.m. So you only have like what, 6 hours left to sleep, which gets interrupted twice. It's nice. So yeah. All right. Let's go on. Now, what I wanted to ask you though, Releasey. Now, I understand what it does here. Like, for the my units, it goes and finds all units and makes an array out of it. So now you have the my units array. The first, which is 0, is your dragon, because we only have one dragon here. We get the dragon ID for that specific dragon. All nice and well. But now we come to the enemy. So it goes and fetches the closest enemy, makes a variable, enemy found, but this part I don't get. Like, what's going on here? Because it says if enemy is found, and then it says yay, no more enemies. Or am I misinterpreting this? Yeah, but isn't it saying like, hold on, let me just put this a bit more down here. Isn't it like saying if enemy is found? Or does this mean if this is returned, because see, it takes this, makes this, and if that, and then it says there's no enemy. Oh, so the exclamation mark is like a negative. Yeah, it's a negative. All right. Okay, now it's logical. So then in that case, if an enemy is not found, yay, no more enemies, okay, return, stop any code that's below there. All right. But if that is false, so if exclamation mark enemy found is false, it will go on and it will find the enemy unit ID and call it enemy ID, and then the game will say, okay, let's attack this enemy. All right, I get it. I understand. Hey, he's getting beaten. We're getting beaten. Our dragon is not a sniper, that's for sure. Alright, so now a new enemy starts to come and it continues attacking. Alright, let that run on the back. Attack versus distance. Do more damage to near targets and less damage to far targets. In later lessons, you will learn how to use this to your advantage. Cheat code. Yeah, well, we did that already. Alright, let's go back. Next one. Move. In this lesson, we'll learn how to command your dragons to move. Soon you will master the skies. To do that, we need to first learn about space. The arena's game board is a 2D space. You can think of it like a piece of paper in the shape of a square. Your dragons start each game at different spots on the square. During a game, you can tell them to move to different positions on the square. To tell your dragons to move, you'll need to know how to describe a position to move to. In a 2D space, you can describe any position using two numbers. This pair of numbers is called a coordinate. Do we have any coordinates here? No, we don't. An example of coordinates is 0, 0. So that would be 0, 0. It's like the 0 point. First number is the x coordinate, and second number is the y coordinate. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Oh, that's because there's no music. That's right. Yes. Example. Okay. Below shows what the game board looks like. In the solo quest represents the center of the game board. Yes, okay. Your dragon starts to the left of the center at minus 30, 50, 0. Yes. Okay, whatever. 350, so this will be 1. It will be 1,000 to 1,000. But how did you, like, oh, well, if you zoom in, yes. Now that you know how coordinates work, you now have the secret key to command your dragons to move. Whenever you want to move your dragon, call this game function. Game move unit to unit ID. Let's see what it does. Save. Hmm. Yeah, but oh, dragon ID. Although that would probably be also. Hmm. Oh, but it does it the other way around. So let's try that, because what I did see was it was stopping with. Yeah, it does the same thing again. All right. Oh, now add that. What? I did it right now. Yeah, now it's not. You can look up the position of any dragon in the arena via print any Java console like this. But this is not working now. Oh, that. Oh, damn. I see why. Unit.pos. Close it. A column. Doesn't take it. Then try it with the dragon ID. Dot pos. It's not taking that. Why isn't it taking that? Unit.pos. Try it again. It's not taking it. Try it like this. Try dragon ID. Pos. Not taking it. Put a column behind it. Not taking it. Okay, I don't know why this isn't working. Because according to this, it should be as simple as writing this into the console. Is it because we're like... Well, at least this works, but this console lock thing isn't working. No, it isn't saying that I should put it inside of the code though. It's saying I should write it inside the console. Like, you can look up the position of any dragon in the arena via unit pos. You can the JavaScript console like this. So by pressing F12, going to the console. Like, let's go back here. Okay. It's not. But we can put it in the code as well. That's okay with me. Well, okay, I didn't. I tried that in the console. Maybe changing this here is important in that case. I forgot about that. So there you go. That's what I wrote. Oh. Oh, it never asked for the ID. It's just, yeah, okay. Ah, yeah, you're right. I forgot about that. Because we're changing it here. Unit 0 is 1 is dragon. Okay. I'm going to do something. Come on, go back. Why aren't you going back now? There's a reason what exists. Okay, so it was the capital G. All right. Hide and seek. Dun dun dun. Hmm. I see what it does. Drag an ID, and then it chooses the position X and the position Y from the enemy found units. Okay. Okay, let's just start. Play. Oh. Okay, hold on. Dragon. No, I need to go back to stupid dragon. And then change this to hello. Then the script needs to also say hello somewhere. Let me quickly check this again. Yeah, console log. Exactly. Just save. Solo quest. Hello. Play. Now, if everything goes well, should say hello. Victory. Return to quests. Hello JavaScript. Play. Yeah, I thought it was in that other screen. Attack. Okay, play. Oh, hold on. What are you doing, dude? What are you doing? Yeah, I'm just going to comment you quickly because save solo quests, play. Yeah, It was because of that other piece of code with the whole hide and seek thing. I have to say though, thank you for this game. It's fun. It really is fun. Let's see, move. Oh, it's going to ask me to move here. We're going to bring it to 0, 0. I like to move it, move it. Okay, let's see. Oh, come on. Oh, that's nice. Ooh, keys. Are these keys? Oh no, that's not keys. That's, I won't say badly, but not fully modeled something's. Yeah, exactly. But really, Rolisi, thank you. This is a nice game to learn JavaScript indeed. I really like this. Let's talk about computers. Like, come on. This is like not fair though. Oh, hello. But this one is with the music chip. Categories. Let's go to PCs. Never mind. Let's go to hardware. PC components. Like I'm thinking of, let's start off with the cases. I'm thinking of getting myself this big boy. Or, I don't know if there's any cashback somewhere. No, there's not. Okay, then in that case, really this Fractal Design Pop XL. Because it's a big tower. It fits an ATX. It has the mesh, so it breathes. Uh, Yeah, exactly. So this one has the gauze in front of it to let air go through. So I'm planning on buying this one. Now I want to grab myself an i9 13900K, but that one is 600 euros, like brand new, and unfortunately, there's not many I can find for cheaper out there. But as soon as you get something like that, you need to grab a good motherboard as well, because making one good and the other one bad, well, that's not the right thing to do, right? Now, I was thinking of grabbing a 4070 Ti, but I'm also thinking of like fuck it, Nvidia, like grabbing myself a 3070 Ti, you know. Welcome to the DragonScript Arena. Aaron from DragonScript Arena. Hello from California. Trying. All right. Nice. Thank you, Aaron. So, oh, it has a fourth fan here. Okay. I don't know about this Inno3Ds. It's the first time I'm hearing about them. Are these any good? It doesn't matter if it's a Chinese company, though, because all of them come from China. Okay, so people aren't exactly very happy about Inno3Ds. Just look at this. How beautiful this is. And the reason I chose for this Asus is because even though it's 979 euros, the cheapest alternative to that is 909 euros. But, although, hold on, this was giving a game. This is giving Redfall as a free, and the Asus has a 70 euros cashback. I planned it all well. You think I planned it well? I don't think I planned it well. I didn't plan the money, that's for sure. I'm slowly starting to think like drop Intel and just go, AMD, because if you look at the AMDs, if you go for, let's say, CPU type Ryzen 9 results, like if you go for a 7900X, this is somewhat comparative to the 13900. Although if you compare it, like really compare it, if you really compare it, the i9 is a lot better than Ryzen 9. But is it worth paying 200 euros more for? Oh, it's not even the X3D. It's just the X. Oh, wow. It's not particularly nice, isn't it? The timer is done again. I know we need to continue. Specs. Let's just quickly look at this. Is it even saying that? No, it's not. Okay, 36 megabytes of L3 cache. And this has 128. Like, that's 3 times, maybe almost 4 times as much. Yeah, a little ding would be or maybe even something that just, flashes on the screen. That would be something. All right. Enough fooling around. Close alternate. And let's start it again. Continue solo quests. So now we're going to do the hide and seek. And the hide and seek was a different code. What was it? Like, we already have a version 28. Come on. Like, this one we're going to delete. This one we're going to uncomment. We're going to save it. Okay. Why are there 3 dragons? Sure. Okay. Hide and seek, play. Yeah. Dragon love. Maybe we could change something in the code. I've been thinking about that it stops like, I don't know, 20 pixels away from it. Let's try that. Is there a way to, like, if enemy found unit pos x hmm. I'm thinking of if maybe there's a possibility to do something like if the position is, you know, if the pos x is smaller than, 0, then like move to game, move to dragon ID, enemy found dot unit dot pos dot x plus 20. You know what I'm trying to say. I don't know if this is a possibility. And then like enemy found dot unit dot pos dot y. Pos x and pos y smaller than, and like do this as well. And if it is, if the pos x and pos y are greater than 0, game move to, Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say, and that's why I'm trying to rely on your knowledge. Like, because I think if this part maybe needs to be translated to a much better, you know, you know what I'm trying to say though? Is this something that it's going to be explained in future lessons, or is it something that they don't explain? Let's go back. Let's just look at this hide and seek. It's telling me something. Okay, it's explaining it. So sorry, I haven't read this and I needed to read it. All right, so if else. Oh, that's what it's doing. That's what it's doing. That's clever. That's clever. Okay, so it does this. If hold on, I can just look at this. If enemy found, no, I need to look at this. Enemy found distance is greater than 350. But does it write anything anywhere about dist? Like it's talking about enemy found dist, enemy found. It's not. Okay. Probably knows what it's trying to do. So then in this case, I can delete this because we don't need this. But we do need to make the nice curly brackets and close this here. Game move to dragon ID. Let's just look what it does. Now, if everything is right, it should stop somewhere. Yes. Okay, let's do that. F12, a console log enemy found. Stop. What are you doing? Did I mistype that? Oh, I know. I'm sorry. Stop this. Stop this. No. Stop it. Console log enemy found. Oh. Oh yeah, you're right about that. But we can write this now, though, right? Stop. Save. F12. Delete this. Okay, so what does it give? Let's go up here. Let's open this. Okay. Indeed, it gives a lot more information. Like it gives information about the ID. This is nice. Now, but we could use this code now for this quest. Oh, we already did that? Oh yeah, we did that. Yeah, we did that. Well, let's do it again. And now, shields. Very funny. Did I just... Oh, it's there. Congratulations on making it this far. We've come a long way since lesson 1, and it took a darn long time as you said that, yeah. As a reward, your dragons have been upgraded with a new ability, Shields. This will come in handy, because in this quest, enemy dragons shoot back. In this lesson, you will learn how to master your dragon shields. If you succeed, you will be able... You will be able to defeat 2 enemy dragons with only 1 dragon. Shields. Dragons have health points. Oh, what you could do though, now that I'm thinking about it, yes, you could use HTML to create buttons. With these buttons, you could, for instance, add, a distance thing. You could say like that you change the distance to the closest enemy to like 750, like go far away so you don't get hit, so you get a chance to refill your shields. And when you're done, you go back. In fact, maybe you can also change your code that if your shields go down, that you could like move away to regen and then come back to shoot again. Probably everything that I just talked about is in this text right now. I need to start reading again. Dragons have health points and shield points. Shields absorb damage first, but when shields are gone, damage starts eating up health points. Shields can regenerate when a dragon is not taking damage. When a dragon has no more health points, it falls out of the sky and is out of the game. Yes, so since shields regenerate, it is a good idea to manage your dragon's shield energy as much as possible. You want to absorb damage with your shields and save your health points. Check shields. Your dragon's shields can absorb quite a bit of damage. I wonder if there's like... Hold on, let me just quickly check this. Dragon script arena. Nah, there's no such thing. Software and game development. Done. Alright, so yeah, we were checking that, right? So what was the information we got from the unit again? We are getting lots of stuff. Let me just put this somewhere safe. And let's turn on the music as well. I keep forgetting about the music. Like unit max shields, yes. Unit shields, yes. Code. Okay, hold on, but what I don't get though So we have max shields and we have shields. What did it say again about max shields? It was saying maximum shield energy your dragon can have. Unit shields is the current shield. Okay, so what did the okay, JavaScript. I need to start searching for it myself. Yes. Hold on. No, not triple. The double. Yeah. But the problem is, what was that? I'm going to try to read this correctly. I'm sorry if I can't. Cryalien. Cryalien. And it doesn't end in a plus 18 word, so that's good. Cryalien, welcome to the channel. Thank you for the follow. I hope you're going to have fun with us. We're trying to code. We're trying to learn how to code using a game, and Royalisi is trying to help us by calling me Bish. But Royalisi, to give you a quick answer, yes, I had a sentence where it was talking about the double equals and the triple equals. But now my question here is: function is shield energy low. If the dragon's max shields is equal to 0, but I don't get it. Why are you even if 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 okay. I think I vaguely understand what it's trying to do. It's like giving you, okay, this is a possibility. The possibility could be that the dragon has no shields at all. Nothing. Like there's not even the max shields. There's no possibility of having a shield. So this is a possibility. But there's also the possibility that there is a shield and there is a percentage of shield. And if that percentage is below 20, okay, then return true because then we don't have enough shields. We need to start, preserving it. And if the shields are bigger than 20%, we can, continue. Then we can say false. That's what I understand from this. We have a way to check if a dragon shield energy is low. What do we do if we notice dragon trouble? Evasive maneuvers. Yes. To do that, we can use the function below. Helper compute retreat point. Unit pause, enemy pause. In our case, it's not unit pause, it's, yeah, it is unit pause. Right? Yeah. Pass this function in your dragon's position. And then it will then tell you where to move to fly game to get your dragon out of trouble. Okay, so this function is the function to check if my shields are any good. Where are we adding that? For run state? Okay. Now, we're going to copy this part and add that before the whole attack part. Okay. Now, let's check what we just added. Now, first we added the whole code with is our shield energy low? If the dragon's max shields are 0, then yes, our shields are low. Other than that, if our dragon has a certain max shields, but the shields are lower than 20%, then yes, we have low. But if it's higher than 20%, no, it's not low. We can still continue fighting. Good. Now to go back to the part with this, if our shield energy is low, so if we get a true value, then we need to find an escape position. And to do that, we need to compute the retreat point. We need to look at our position, we need to look at the enemy position, and then game move to dragon ID, our ID, escape position, escape position Y. But what is this? Okay, hold on. But we didn't write down an escape position. I'm just going to see what it does. Let's see what it does. So it's not retreating now. But then we need to add the escape position though. Is it me? Like, am I not reading this correctly? Is something missing here? Are we going to add this maybe? Okay, let's just check that, okay? So what did we do before this? Let's just delete this, I think. Or okay, hold on. What does this do? I change this and comment this. This didn't work as I wanted. Enemy found unit gives us the enemy ID, which we're not using right now there. Why aren't we using that enemy ID? Enemy found unit. Oh, can we change this to enemy ID? No, we can't. Or what I could do, hold on. Maybe that is something. Maybe we can like compute what our starting position is, or other way around. Well, we could do this. But that doesn't, you know, change my problem. Line 91. This maybe? Really? Okay, but I'd like to change this though. I just saw it eat away at my health. But you were right. So the problem is I just keep copy pasting it, but we're looking for enemy found. Although, why not change that as well? You know. Is this Aussie? Eh, it is. Oh wow. Yeah, no. Let's just change this to 50. Okay. I don't know, but I'm just going to use this code because I like how he retreats. Come on, run away. Good boy. Let's go a bit faster. Hmm. Okay, yeah. This is going to take ages this way. All right. Releasey. Here you go. All right. But what I am wondering now, though, we've been attacking with only one dragon. Are we going to attack with multiple dragons? Is that time ever going to come? We will only know next week. No, I'm joking. We're going to see it today. Oh, what happened to my eye, dude? Wow. This isn't good. It's just... Wow. Here as well. I can even do it right now. Like attacking with multiple dragons. But would I need to... Would I need to... Would I need to? I don't know. It's... I'm just gonna go and try this. I'm not even sure if this is going to... Okay. So that's not what I want to do. Okay, hold on. Before I get it from you, let me just look at this. Let me just understand, and then let me try this. Oh, hey! Roy Lacey, your most favorite. The brr brr brr. Oh, that's... Okay, hold on. No, other way around. Let's take this. For let I my units I I don't know what this length is, but sure. My units. What's this length? Dup. Try it yourself. What does it do? Yeah, we don't want text. Yeah, we're on a break, okay? We're on a break. Oh, my light's not working. That's not good. That's not good. I know why it's not working, though. Schedules. Schedules on both Z's. On both Z's. All right. So from now on, it should work. Well, the break is over, so let's start. For but we don't want text though. So hold on. Let me just quickly. I'm like. So hold on. So hold on. I'm going to delete this quickly because yes, if working with arrays. Hmm. 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 Yeah. Let me just continue doing this as it asks. I'm like, at this moment, I'm like, I understand what it is a little bit. You know, it just keeps scrolling through the array, getting every element and using that in the code. So it just, but implementing it is still a little bit, you know. Although, I'm not going to give up right now. I'm not going to give up. This is if you're writing numbers. So in my case, I would have to write something like this. Let I, and I have 3 dragons, so it should be smaller than 3. Then, not text. Oh, this is not what we want. But, I have a feeling that if I just stick this code in there, it will probably implement it for nope. Or I could just, stick this part of the code as well in there. Maybe that is also required for the code. Nope. Hey, Lock4 Jackie, welcome. How are you? How was your day? How was your weekend? How was your week? How was life? Which part of the code needs to go inside the for loop? Because I do know that I need to add my units I inside the for loop. I put this back here, okay? Oh. And we're not using any more numbers, so my unit's 0, we change that to my unit's I. And I should be cycling through the loop, if I'm right, if I understand this correctly. Oh, I don't know why I clicked that. Everything else, apart from var my units, I'll forget mine, needs to be inside. Oh, wow. Everything. Like, everything. Everything. Like, excluding that. You are a magician, my friend. Like, you know this job. You know how to do this. This is just beautiful. Alright, I'm just going to change one little thing because I need those little crystals. I I haven't been collecting them, and I think I need to collect them. No? Oh, are these the orbs? Probably they are. Alright, save. Wow. Just for 3 games, we are at revision. Well, I am at revision 44. So you got to fix one more thing, so it doesn't matter how many dragons you have, because in some levels, yeah. But that would be like, would I do this? Uh. Oh, that was the. Oh, that was the. So this little thing was correct. All right. Thank you. I didn't know that. I thought. I thought. I don't know what I thought with this dot length, but I thought this was like extremely irrelevant. Huh. I wonder if I could change the dragons into little Apaches. Like have little Apache helicopters flying around. Why is this? Oh, because, yeah, it's a closing tag. Sorry. It's a big question. All right. If this is saved, let's go to the solo quest. No, not go to the solo quest. We're doing the orbs. Sorry. Code. Now that you're getting the hang of coding, things are going to get interesting. This quest introduces a new element to the arena. Orbs. Orbs are juicy bundles of pure energy that all dragons need. Sugar. They are essential to the dragon life cycle. Whenever orbs are in play in the arena, the team that captures the most orbs wins. To capture an orb, a dragon flies to the orb, picks it up, and returns it to a friendly base. Dragons fly slower when carrying an orb. This makes orb carriers more vulnerable to attacks. If a dragon is defeated while carrying an orb, it is released and can be captured by another dragon. To find the closest orb to a dragon, call this function. Oh, I'd love to. Hold on. You know what would be nice? If you could also bind this to the one that has the biggest, best shield in the game. Yeah, new feature, and we already finished the first 15 minutes of this timer. I think everything is possible, Royley. See, I know everything is possible. The only problem is I'm impossible. I don't know how to code it. I know what I want. I just can't translate it into code. I need ChatGPT. I need to tell ChatGPT about this game. ChatGPT, I'm playing a game. There's dragons in this game. There's enemy dragons, they're friendly dragons. There's also little bundles of energy, orbs, which can be picked up. I need to send the dragon with the most energy to grab an orb. This is the code that I need to implement it to. And then let, you know. Yeah, I know that you can make the dragon speed higher, but you know. Okay, helper get closest orb. To find the closest orb to a dragon, call this function. pass this function the state from your run function and one of your dragons. It will return you the closest orb. So, do I add this inside my if code into the loop? I think we have to, though. Sorry. They're still here. Tonight my parents came. And my brother. Or Lisa, you know him. Yanchar. I will say hi. I'm going to slowly start closing the stream anyhow. Let me go down there and see them before they go. Okay, so this part we already added. var closest orb. No. We added this part. Var closest orb. Now we're going to look at var closest base. Now what? Hold on. Let's just look at this. So we're going to create this by, checking it and checking the dragons. Then we're going to tell a dragon, it's probably this dragon, to move to the closest orb's position, X position Y. Once there and it picks it up, but that's going to be somewhere in the code anyhow, then that dragon is going to look, we're going to create this closest base by, checking it, and then we're going to use this to move through that base. And once there, you can capture the orb and place it. Now the whole code should hold on. Game carry orb. Let's just quickly do this and see. And then dragon ID because we're looking for that. It's like I have earphones on and I'm hearing sounds come from downstairs. Like these people, they need a shrink. Then we need to get this little baby boo. Copy this in here as well. Although, do we really need to put that? Oh, never mind. Okay, so what does it do? Function capture orb. Variable my units. Check the state of my units. All right. Now we're going to change this into an I, and then we have our dragon and dragon ID. If the dragon does not have a dragon cargo, but there is an enemy found, or you're checking if there is an enemy found, and if there is no enemy found, then our dragon needs to check where the nearest orb is. We're going to find the orb, and if the orb is found, then we're going to move to it and carry it. Else, so if there is no dragon cargo, if there is a dragon cargo, if there is a dragon cargo, our dragon should go to the nearest base. All right, so in that case, hold on. This changes everything that I already copy pasted, I think. I'm going to take this. I'm going to remove you. Now, do I need to paste this in this? Or should I just make a new loop? That wasn't a question, that was just me talking. Now in this case, I'm going to make this an I again. Do I really need to make... Hold on. They are happy meeting each other, yeah. You probably want to put that code inside the cargo part. Yeah, you're starting to wake up. I see that. I like stretching though. That's I really like stretching. Yeah, the bone fixes are needed. Okay, so hold on. Did I do this correctly? So I made a different loop from this. I think that's right. Right? Do we need to add anything else? Yeah, we'll look at that in a minute. Many problems. It's not going to pick up the orb though, is it? It's probably not. Come on, shoot them. I'm just going to make it easier for them. Where's this? We're going to call this 250. Save. Because the closer they get, yes, the more damage they get, but also the more damage they do. And as my guys are focusing on one enemy, I think it would be easier for them if they just get closer and start killing that guy as fast as possible. Yes, this is working though. this is working. But they're not hunting the orbs. I'm going to try it in the solo quest. I'm just going to, you know, see if it works. Yeah, it's not. It's probably a lot of things missing in my code. Okay, hold on. So let's just. But how do you mean that? Like you have to call it somewhere for it to actually run. What does that mean? But you know what? It's all nice and well. We slowly need to start thinking about tomorrow. I'm going to put you not in Stream Essentials, but in CS50 because I like you. You're a nice web page. Oh, you as well. Let's check this out before we leave. You DM. How can you not write in Twitch? You should be able to write everything. Oh. Yeah, but that's what it's doing with the, isn't it? That's what it's doing with the rest of the code. Hold on. Dragon commands. Game guide. Is it the game guide that we're looking at? Yeah. Orbs. Yeah. It's doing that with the functions. It's doing that in this part, I think. Right? Either way, either way, let's look quickly at this game. Let's see what it does. Let's see if it is of any help. If not, let's delete it and then we're going to close the stream. Welcome to the onboarding. Coding games let you improve your coding skills with games. It all starts in the IDE. Coding, what's the IDE? That's probably something techy. Integrated development environment. Okay, all right. Where you will code and test new IDs. Got it. This is your mission statement. Solo and multiplayer coding games are turn-based. At each turn, your program gets new inputs and must output the action. Got it. Choose a programming language. HTML, please. Why no HTML, please? I love HTML. All right, JavaScript. JavaScript it is. Time to code. Okay, let's tell your program to shoot the closest alien It's doing the same thing. It's doing the same thing practically. If if else while if that's true, if uh if distance 1 is smaller than distance 2, console log enemy 1 because enemy 1 is closer. Otherwise, log enemy 2. Okay. I don't think I'm probably this is right. Huh. Looks different. Code and play. All right, let's go. Let's go rogue quickly. I agree. I don't wish to receive new newsletters. I don't like newsletters. Okay. Lies in the following. If you consider that you've acquired the skills listed below, tick the corresponding boxes and they'll appear on your learning profile. Conditions. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. What do you think of that, Roy Lisi? Like, the game lets you do stuff, but it also, you know, did you learn it? Yes or no? I'm not sure. Let's check it. You go into the page and it explains to you what conditions are, if then else, etc. And if you just want some more options to train, like for instance, you can go here, unary, solve it. But binary will better write a program that takes an incoming message as input and displays its output message. So I don't know where the if else is coming in handy here, but there's games like this that you could play to hone your skills. Like, let's go down here to just conditions. Solve it. Nice. This is also a nice game. No. I'm studying computer sciences. Let's put it like that. How did you hear about coding games? A website. Yes, because I found it via Free Code Camp. All right. Why do I have a feeling that this is also going to be one of those you need to pay to continue playing kind of games? Whatever. Close this. Is there anything that needs to... Yeah, keep that one open. And return to just chatting screen. Well, never mind. I'm hanging. I'm going downstairs. I'm going to check what my parents are doing still here. They need to go. Enough. They've been here for I don't know how many hours. Plus, TV time with the lovelies. And make something from this weekend. Yeah. By the way, I managed to print the brackets. I did a different bracket type. I found a nice bracket that was somewhat... Hold on, let me just start up my coding focus screen again. So there was this bracket that suits me better. Let me quickly grab this little screen and place it back again. Where you were here last week, right? When I was doing the 3D printing thing. Or not? I thought you were here. Or am I wrong? Well, we were 3D printing last week. And I was using Blender and, bucking it up. Arduku was here, though. I know Arduku was here. That's for sure. But so, yeah, I was trying to make brackets. And I was... Let me quickly put the screen up here. Oh, it doesn't go into full screen mode. So what I was doing was I was making brackets, and I don't seem to be able to find the... Oh, here it is. I was making these brackets auto scale for my sun visors in the car. The camera stand thing at the beginning. The camera stand thing at the beginning. The camera stand thing at the beginning? Sure. But whatever. I was trying to make these, but then I ended up with some other versions, like this one, for instance. I was thinking of making a bracket like this, and I could glue whatever, adapter I have, and I have this little adapter for that light. I thought I could glue this. Oh, I need to move you away. Thought I could glue this to the bottom. This has 3M tape on it, so I was planning on gluing it here. But then I found this bad boy, and it's not even that one though, but what this had on top of here, it had a GoPro mount. So the 3 spikes coming out where you can mount a GoPro in. I cut that off in Blender, and then I printed this, and then I stuck one of these on top of this, and it worked fine. But then, again, I started using Blender even more, I found the drawing of that part. Like, if you look at this, it's that part. So I found a 3D drawing of that part as well, and I stuck it on top of that. I did some scaling, etc. This is not perfect, but I printed this, and this works. I didn't know you were calling these brackets. Aren't they then? What are they if they aren't brackets? Tell me! But yeah, so I ended up making these. And these are working perfectly now. This is, I'm already using them. So, happy days! All right. Yeah. Well, Stream Deck application. Ladies and gentlemen, Roy Lisi and Roy Lisi. King Lisi and Roy Lisi. From Monroe to Monroe. King Lisi to Roy Lisi. Every one of you. All of you. Thank you for joining me today. It was, again, a very productive stream with a lot of viewers today. Well, you 4, me 3, that's 7 people, though. That's good. That's my average viewer. Although today was less viewers, it was more a one-on-one stream. I think over time it will open up. It will be more. I think people on a Saturday, they don't want to do co-working. I think they want to have more fun. I think they want to watch, games being played, etc. I don't know. So maybe this co-working thing isn't the right word for this, but I'm sticking to it. And I like it like this, and I don't care. So what we're going to do now is we're going to see who we can raid with the both of us. Like, this would be a very good raid.
It takes some time to respawn.
Oh, stop. Don't respawn. We're gonna go to not depressed developer. Like, she's a nice girl. I like her. She's hold on. Let me just quickly write this. She's a Turkish developer, a funny girl. She does software and development. I don't know what she's doing right now. Let's check out what she's doing right now. Python, women in tech. I think she's working on the map that we were building. I wasn't building at all, but they were building. So they're busy doing that, I think, perfecting the map. So you know what? Let's just check out what they're doing. Oh. I wrote that wrong, it seems. Alright. Releasy, thank you for being here. Let's just go there together. Let's just say hi to her, and after that I'm closing and I'm going. Yeah, exactly. But you know some Turkish now. You can say merhaba. Here, I'll give you a trick. Here, merhaba means hello. Selam means hello. You can use any one of them, and then and then just say that you only understand English. Releasy, thank you for being here. As always, you're the best viewer. I'm very humbled for having you on my stream, for having you here every day, almost every day. I know some stuff come up and you need to do stuff at home. That's normal. You don't need to be here every stream, but you being here anyway, it just it just makes me happy because I have someone here that backs me and tries to do their best to educate me into becoming a coder. I hope one day I will become as good as you and I will be able to help other people as well. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you for being here. Bye bye.